Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to delete Imo account permanently. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in Open Imo application. At first, you need to tap in the profile icon on top left corner. Tap in Settings. Under Settings, you tap in Account and Security option. As you can see, under Account and Security, there are many options. At the very last, you can see Delete Imo Account. Tap on it. Tap on Apply to Delete. Here you can see the many reasons for why you want to delete your Imo account. So I'm just going with the other reasons. Tap on it. You also can give a suggestions or the reason and also can skip this process. For now, I am going to skip it and tap on next arrow button. To delete your Imo account permanently, you need to provide a registered phone number that you want to get deleted. Tap on next arrow button. Here are some important notices before deleting your account. Tap on Agree and Delete. Are you sure want to apply to delete your account? Tap on Delete. Your account has been deleted. As you can see, my Imo account has been permanently deleted and I have directed to the very first page of Imo. This is how you can delete your Imo account permanently. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can delete your Imo account permanently. Thank you.